Yes, so students, today we are going to study about the first practical of physics of class 9th, that is external diameter of a cylindrical object with the help of vernier caliper. So this is vernier caliper, and with the help of vernier caliper we are going to calculate the external diameter of this spherical ball. Okay, this is actually the bob of the pendulum. So we are going to calculate the diameter of this bob of the pendulum with the help of vernier caliper. So this is our vernier caliper. This is our jaw. To calculate the diameter of this bob, we put this bob between these jaw. ठीक है, we put this bob between this jaw, and with the help of this main scale, this is our main scale. Okay, and this is our vernier scale. With the help of main scale and vernier scale, we will calculate the radius of the diameter of this bob. So first of all, let us find out how to calculate the reading with the help of vernier caliper. First of all, we have to find out the least count. We have to find out the least count of the given vernier caliper. Okay. So the least count of vernier caliper is 1 main scale division divided by number of divisions in vernier scale. So here let us find out what is the value of 1 main scale division. Here, look here, from this point to this point, this is our 1 centimeter. Okay, now this 1 centimeter of the main scale is further divided into 10 parts. So one part of this scale is actually equal to 0.1 centimeter. So one part of main scale division is equal to 0.1 centimeters. So here it is, 1 main scale division is equal to 0.1 centimeters. Now again come back to our vernier caliper. This is our vernier caliper and this is our vernier scale. Now we have to calculate number of divisions in the vernier scale. So again let us zoom it. So look here. Now how many divisions are there in the vernier scale? Look here, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total there are 10 divisions in vernier scale. Now number of divisions in vernier scale is equal to 10. Now again come back to formula. Least count is equal to 1 main scale division divided by number of divisions in vernier scale. So now we put the values and let us find out the least count of the given scale. Now least count is equal to 0.1 divided by number of divisions in vernier scale, that is 10, that is equal to 0.01. So this is our least count, or least count of this scale. Least count of this scale. Now we are going to start our process of calculating the diameter of the bob. For that, first of all, we have to find out the main scale reading. Then we have to find out vernier scale divisions. Then we calculate the value of its diameter. So let us take the reading one by one. First of all, put this bob between the jaws of the vernier caliper. We lightly press this point, okay, so that it just touches the both jaws of the vernier caliper. Okay, now we release it and the reading is fixed in this. Now my target is first of all calculate the main scale reading. So for main scale reading, we take this point. Okay, we calculate the main scale reading up to this point. Okay, so here this is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, then this is 2.5, and between this point is this mark is between 2.5 and 2.6. Okay, so the main scale reading that we are going to take is 2.5. So the main scale reading is 2.5 centimeters. Our next target is to find out the number of divisions of the vernier scale. So let us see. So how we are going to figure out, or how we are going to find out the number of divisions of the vernier scale? So we have to look at that part which is coinciding with the above part. Okay, so we have to closely observe this, and we can see that the fifth part of the vernier scale is coinciding with the above line. Okay, so the vernier scale division is 5. Okay, now vernier scale divisions that we have calculated is 5. Now we are going to put these values in the formula, and after putting these values in the formula and after calculating, we will get the exact dimensions, that is exact diameter of the bob. So for that, first of all, write the formula. So the formula is main scale reading plus vernier scale division into least count. So now we put the values. Main scale reading is 2.5 centimeters. Vernier scale division is how many? 5. Into least count of the given instrument is 0.01. So if we put the values and calculate it, that is 2.5 centimeter plus 0.05 centimeter, that is equal to 2.55 centimeter. That is the diameter of the given bob. So in this way you are going to calculate the diameter of the given bob with the help of this vernier caliper device.